I can't believe I forgot. I was sure wondering that, you know, that inner highlights, the inner glow, the inner shine. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobie. If this is your first time stopping by, you are welcome, and if this is not your first time stopping by, you are also welcome. So today I am going to be recording a video for the second time. So I recently went to Nigeria for my friend's wedding. My friend Demilade got married, and I was there to celebrate, you know, the union with her and her husband, and I'm just so happy for them. And yeah, while I was there, I decided that I wanted to record a video that I had been thinking about for a minute, and it's basically a Nigerian brand makeup video. So I was able to, even though I was only there for 5 days, I was able to go to the market and get a couple things. I wish I was able to get everything I wanted, like every single item, including like brushes, sponges, powders and stuff, but I didn't get the chance to get everything. It was just kind of in a hurry. So I was able to get a couple things, and you know, even those things I'm pretty happy with. And unfortunately, I wish this was a first impressions. I already recorded an initial video, and I don't know what happened, but half of the video, basically the first half of the video, is corrupt. Like, it's not plain, only the second half is plain. So unfortunately, it's not a first impressions anymore. Without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get started with the video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure to subscribe, share with your friends, with your family, just share in general, and you know, like, if you have any suggestions for future videos, leave a comment down below, or just say hi or say hey, something down in the comment section. Let me know that you guys are interacting and you guys are enjoying the video. Okay, all right, we're gonna go ahead and get started. I'm going to show you guys what I have, and I'll just show you in the order that I typically do my makeup. So I have the Nuban Beauty, I believe it's pronounced Nuban Beauty. Nuban Beauty. The Nuban Beauty, the Glow Liquid Highlighter in the shade Aurora. So I'm going to be using that as my skin illuminator. My primer is going to be my Becca First Light priming filter that I typically use. So I'm going to be using this as a skin illuminator, and then the next item that I have is my foundation. So this is the Zikel Pro Matte High Definition Foundation, and I have this in the shade Sexy Almond. Okay, and then the next item I have is Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer, and this is in the shade 045. And then the next product I have, unfortunately I don't have any powders. The next product I have is the eyeshadow palette. So this is the Nuban Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is their Starlet eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to be using that. It has some really pretty colors, and when I used it the first time, I really liked it. That's all I can say. And then the next product is going to be this Candid Glow highlighter by Yanga Beauty, and this is in the shade Kporkish. Okay. The next product I have is this lip liner from Zaran Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Brick Chick. I have this lipstick also from Yanga Beauty. This is the lipstick. It's a lip cream, and this is in the shade Gosh, like oh my gosh. So, and then the last product that I have is the Zaran Perfect Finishing Primer. I'm going to be using that to set my face. And oh, I also have this beauty blender from Nuban Beauty, and this is such a pretty color. Those are all the products I have. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna prime my face first, you know, with my regular primer. So so I'm going to be moving in with the foundation. So I'm just going to take one pump of this on the back of my hand, and I just want to see what type of coverage that gives me. I'm looking at what one pump looks like on my face, and I would say that it is pretty full coverage like it says. I'm trying to see, do I want to go in with a little bit more? So I think I'm gonna stick with this one pump. Feel free to use a little bit more if you want to, but for me I think this is just fine. So next I have the Nuban Beauty in my skin concealer. go in with the beauty blender and I'm just gonna blend it out. Actually, yep, I'm gonna do that because typically with my Too Faced concealer, I let that sit and I just go ahead and do my contour. But I'm gonna go ahead and blend this concealer out because I'm not really sure if it's a matte concealer. Okay, I'm not sure why, but this beauty blender seems to be taking off my foundation. Like, I'm trying to blend the concealer out and I can see that some of the foundation under it has come off. Huh, interesting. Okay, it's not that I don't like the blender, I don't know what it is. I'm gonna switch over to my, I have backup just in case none of this works out. I'm just gonna switch over to my beauty blender and I'm gonna use that to blend it out. I'm really glad I switched over to my blender because I think that blended the concealer out a lot better. Yeah, I don't know, maybe it's the foundation concealer combination or what it is, because this beauty blender and the concealer are from the same brand, so I would think they would work, you know, fine with each other. Maybe I'm just using it wrong, but I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna contour with my NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. Okay, so now that my base is done, I'm gonna go ahead and set my under eye with my Laurer Mercier powder, which is really not Laurer Mercier, but a mix of Laurer Mercier and the NARS translucent loose setting powder, because my Laurer Mercier is finished. So I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with that combination of stuff. Judge me. Okay, so I'm done setting my face with translucent powder, and now I'm going to go in with my Black Radiance True Contour Palette, and I'm going to use the contour shade. I'm going to use this contour shade. I'm going to take this L'Oreal True Match powder that I've had for a minute now, and I stopped using it, and I'm just going to use that as an all-over face powder. Okay, so now that I'm done with setting my face with the powder, I'm gonna go ahead and do my brows off camera, and this is because the brow pencil I'm using is my regular Colourpop brow pencil, and unfortunately I really wanted to get one, but I don't even know what happened or why I didn't get it. I know like a lot of Nigerian makeup brands have so many good eyebrow pencils, eyebrow pomades, and you know, since I didn't get one, I'm just gonna do my brows off camera, and we're gonna go ahead and continue with the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm done with my brows. I'm gonna get my eyeshadow started, and I'm going to use the concealer as a base for the eyeshadow. Okay, so I'm gonna be using the Starlet eyeshadow palette from Nuban Beauty for my eyeshadow, and I'm just gonna open this up. So the first time I tried you know, all of these products, this was definitely my favorite out of everything. One is this eyeshadow palette has a mirror, okay? It has a mirror. That's all we want in eyeshadow palettes. Just give us a mirror. That's all we're asking for. And second of all, the colors are really pretty. So you guys can see that orange, the green, the purple, the plum, the black with the shimmer. I love it. And then there's like a basically you can do a look from this eyeshadow palette without needing a companion palette. I'm gonna take this color right here, I'm gonna mix it, I'm gonna mix this color, and those are gonna be my transition colors. Yo, these colors are super pigmented because I only tapped in each one time, and I've already gotten like a basic full-on transition. Like I don't feel like I need more, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend this out. I'm gonna go ahead and apply an eyeshadow base, and this is just my NYX Jumbo Pencil in the shade Iced Mocha. So I'm going to go back into the brown shade in this palette, and I'm just going to use that to blend around the edges before I put on the green color. I'm going to be taking this green shade right here from my lid color, and it is called Alpha. This eyeshadow palette has like minimal fallout. Like, I'm telling you, the way I'm applying the green right now, there's no green like falling on my cheeks or falling on my under eye. That's amazing. That's amazing. That's all I'm gonna say. Because I love my Juvia's Place eyeshadow palettes. Don't get me wrong. I have like 5 of them. I love them. But this type of color, I'm just saying, like by now I would have green all over my under eye, and I don't have anything. I'm really impressed with this eyeshadow palette. Yeah, I am. I'm gonna take this shade Zeta, and I'm going to use that as my inner corner highlight. I'm gonna take this plum shade called Cosmos, and I'm gonna take the black shade called Comet, and I'm gonna use that on my you know, that place that I never know what to call, my lower lash line. That's what it's called. There you go. I'm gonna use that shade on my lower lash line. You know what I just realized? The very first time when I did this eye look, I actually smoked out the grain. But I'm gonna do it because even though I like this, I want just a little bit of smoke going on. And the reason is, the last time I did a green eye look, it looked pretty similar to this. It was mostly just green. So we're gonna take the black. Lord, please don't let me regret this, because it's already a fire look and this black could ruin it. Okay? Just pray for me. So I just put some black. It's not bad. It's not bad. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna blend it out with the orange, okay? Please, Lord, I hope I didn't make a mistake. Okay, so for a second there, I was actually starting to regret that I put the black, but now that it's all blended out, I really like it. That's gonna be it for the eyes. I have, you know, yeah, pretty much everything I want, and I really like it. I really like this eyeshadow palette. It's probably my favorite thing from all the items that I got. Yeah, this green is fire. So my lashes are on, and I think I did okay with the lashes. I'm still getting used to putting lashes on. I'm going to go ahead and apply some highlighter, and I'm going to be using the Candid Glow by Yanga Beauty highlighter, and this is in the shade Kporkish. So this is a loose highlighter. Let me tell you guys something. This highlighter, this highlighter, just watch. Y'all, guys, this is the product on the cap that you see right there. That's the product that I just took a little bit. Just that. These people did not come to play. I'm so in love with this highlighter, guys. So in love. Like, so in love. Ha! Is this me? I'm the one that is glowing like, see? So we're going to move on to the last item, which, second to the last. Well, the last 3. You know what I just realized? I didn't use the Skin Illuminator. Oh my goodness. I completely forgot about this. How did I forget? A whole product. I can't believe I forgot. I was sure wondering that, you know, that inner highlights, the inner glow, the inner shine. Like, I was like, why? Like something felt different. Well, it is what it is. So I'm just gonna go ahead and line my lips with this lip pencil from Yanga Beauty, and this is in the shade Brick Chick. This is like an orange shade, and it's not matte, it's a lip cream. Oh, I really like that. Ooh. Okay, so last but not the least, I'm gonna go ahead and set my face, and then we're gonna be done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I definitely really enjoyed it. So my thoughts, I really wanted to like this beauty blender, but I don't know what it is about it. It didn't just do it for me. I'm going to have to try it again. Maybe I'm just using it wrong, even though I'm not sure how you can use it wrong. It's a beauty blender, you dab. I don't know. I've seen the co-founder of Nuban Beauty, Jane, the owner of Flawless Faces by Jane. She's a makeup artist in Nigeria, and I've seen her use this 1,000,001 times, and I know it's a good product. So I'm just not sure why it's not like it's not doing it. So that's the beauty blender. The concealer, I like the concealer. It was okay. It had a very bouncy texture to it, I would say. So I think it gave me a pretty good amount of coverage. I really like the finish of the concealer. The foundation is really good. It's full coverage, like it says. I would say it's matte, and I'm really glad that I didn't use a mattifying primer, because mattifying primer on that mattifying foundation, honestly, in my opinion, that's just, you're looking for trouble. Okay, highlighter. I don't think I even need to say anything else about the highlighter. The highlighter is the bomb, okay? This highlighter, just like a little bit, goes a long way. I love it. I am in love with it. Candid Glow, Yanga Beauty, Kporkish. The lipstick, I really like this lipstick. This orange color, I have a lot of lipsticks, and I don't have anything like this in my collection, so I'm glad I have one now. It's really pretty. The lip liner as well, the two, I think they go very well together, the purple and the orange. I wouldn't think of it, but it really does work. My favorite thing is this eyeshadow palette. You know, you think you have all the eyeshadow palettes you need, and you buy one and then you realize that you don't. The eyeshadow palette is actually really good. Like, I did not have fallout. There was no fallout from this eyeshadow palette. I mean, I don't remember how much I paid for it. I'm going to link the prices down below, but this eyeshadow palette was really good. Like, the way I was putting the green on my eye, like nothing was. The setting spray, it's, yeah, I don't really have much to say about it. I sprayed it, and yeah, I just sprayed it a couple seconds ago, so I wouldn't know until like maybe if I wore it out for a very long time, and I'll see if something is happening, something is doing anything wrong. We wouldn't know. But anyway, I really enjoyed recording this video. I really enjoyed my time in Nigeria, and I'm glad that I had the opportunity to go and get all these products. And yeah, I can't wait, you know, till the next time I go back. Hopefully I'm going to be able to get a lot more products, like brow pencils, mascara, lashes, setting powder. Yeah, I'm really excited about the beauty industry in Nigeria, and it's going places. In fact, it's already there. I mean, yeah, but you know, you guys get what I'm saying. Anyway, this is the end of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I enjoyed recording it. Make sure to leave me a comment down below. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. Please support your girl, okay? And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.